people, so today I'll be unboxing the SMYTTEN products which I have got with 6 trial points, and this app is a total reliable app where you get wholesome concept with anything and everything available from all the best brands, from the quality of the product to its review, and everything is so good about this application. But the fact is they seem to like giving offer, but the reality is it is as usual. Offers are very complicated. This is going to be the part 2 of it. The previous order I have already kept. You will be getting in above somewhere, so click on that to watch it. This is from Mama Earth Oil Free Face Moisturizer with apple cider vinegar. It helps in retaining the natural moisture of the skin, thus making it smooth and elastic. It does not just work on reducing existing acne and pimples, but also cleans the oil, so it closes the pores to prevent their occurrence any further. So it's for all skin types. This Mama Earth Vitamin C Sleeping Mask is an overnight restorative gel cream sleeping mask that replenishes lost radiant and reduces. The combination of vitamin C and aloe vera works together to bring back skin radiance. It contains no harmful chemical or toxins or paraben, and is 100% safe to add to your nighttime skin regime. This lemon body wash with 98% pure glycerine and natural oil, pure and gentle cleanser for your body that leaves your skin feeling smooth, soft and moisturized. It protects the skin and moisturizes skin, making it healthy and supply deeply cleansed, long lasting fragrance. So this is a good one, give a try for it. And this Pumice Stone, this will gently remove dry skin and calluses from hands and feet to leave them silky smooth like dead skin cells, usually from feet, elbow or knee. Use this durable stone to gently remove rough and dead skin to improve circulation. This lemon sheet mask featuring light as air sheet. This tightens your pores, giving you glowing skin. It reduces the oxidative stress on the skin, protecting it from wrinkles and uneven pigmentation. It protects your skin's collagen and elasticity, thereby giving you healthier, young looking skin. It also detoxifies skin and gives a clear skin texture. This is a skin whitening night cream, and it has almond oil, olive oil and vitamin B3. Now I'm gonna unbox my other order which I got, but before that, please sanitize your whatever you're receiving from outside. Please sanitize it and then bring it, because you cannot take risk. So I just sanitized the box. Oh gosh. Then I just opened it using Cider. I'm excited for this because this time I ordered some edible things which I wanted to give a try, so that if I like it I can proceed with buying it in a huge amount, so like huge quantity basically. So let's see what's inside. Woohoo! So that wrapper inside came so wet is because it had sunflower oil in it which was leaking. And yeah, this navy blue pouch, I got it for free with my order. That free or product order will be only limited short span of time, and I felt this pouch is really cute to put up things like essential things for girls, so it is easily carryable also, so I liked it. This is the sunflower oil that I am going to open, and it's nice. It's for cooking purposes and for organic cold pressed sunflower oil, and this is good for your hard skin and even boosts your energy level, and it is chemical free, no added preservatives and no added fragrance. Like, I do experiment on food and make some good food items because I don't know, sometimes I just feel like making it. And this prime thing, which is a cloth stain remover, which I found it in this app, which is for 2 trial points. And rest all things are just makeup products and cocoa powder. And that brush which you see is for my hair shower. Like when I do a hair shower, I want my scalp to be cleaned properly, so I ordered that brush. I thought it'll huge, but it's small. It's okay. That's it.